Let's grill some avocado. It might not necessarily be the first thing you think of for the grill, but it's a unique, bright, and refreshing side dish. To make this, of course, begin with an avocado or two. You could use jumbo or medium size. It doesn't really matter. No matter what size you use, begin by grabbing a knife and splitting your avocado in two. Once you've worked your knife all the way around, carefully pull the two halves apart, and once again, grab your knife and use it to remove the seed. You can now tidy up your avocado halves if desired or necessary. And now, let's prep. To begin, grab some olive oil and brush on a light layer of that oil on each half of your avocado. Next up, a pinch of salt, and follow that up with some fresh ground pepper to taste. And finally, grab a slice or half of one lime and squeeze that fresh juice onto each avocado half. And that's it. We're done with prep, so let's head on out to the grill. Today I'll be cooking on my Weber Q1200. It has been preheating on a medium heat for the past 15 minutes or so. The grates have been cleaned, so I'm going to go ahead and lay these avocado halves directly on the grill grates. Anybody watching House of Dragon these days? Kind of looks like little dragon eggs on the grill, doesn't it? Anyways, shut the lid and let that cook for about 90 seconds. After 90 seconds, we're going to give our avocado halves a 90-degree turn. This will give some nice cross-hatch sear marks when we pull these off the grill. Shut the lid and cook for another minute and a half or so. So here we are, 1.5 minutes later, 3 minutes of total cook time, and we're ready to pull our avocado off of the grill. But before I do that, I'm going to flip these guys over just to show you what this cross-hatch searing looks like. Completely unnecessary, but just like with steak, it just looks really cool when you pull them off and plate it up. So what the heat of the grill does to these avocado is it really softens up the fat inside them, and it makes them nice and extra creamy. You could actually now just serve it as is with some lime as a garnish, but instead I prefer this with some homemade Pico de Gallo. I've made this on my channel before, but in a nutshell, it's equal parts red onion, diced tomatoes, cilantro, and a couple squeezes of fresh lime juice. There's a video linked above if you want to check it out. Once you have your pico ready, spoon a generous amount into the empty seed cavity of your grilled avocado. Okay, that was probably a little bit too generous, so let me transfer some of this over to the other half. And let's just tidy this up just a little bit more. And just a little bit more. Perfect. And finally, to finish this appetizer off, squeeze some more fresh lime juice over the top. And there you have it. That is how you can make grilled avocado. Kind of looks like deconstructed guacamole, doesn't it? So how the heck do you eat this anyways? Easy. Just grab a spoon and dig right in. Be sure to get a little bit of avocado and a little bit of pico with each bite. And try not to spill your Pico de Gallo all over the place. There you go. That's the perfect bite. Now, I know some of you might still be skeptical, but trust me, it's a bright and refreshing side. Definitely give this a try. I don't think you'll regret it. Thank you very much as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all again next time. Bye.